I'm Emma, and this is your 30-day speaking challenge. Let me ask you something. Does this sound like you? You've been learning English for years. You know all the grammar rules. You've memorized hundreds, maybe even thousands of words. But when it's time to speak, especially on the phone, your mind goes blank, your mouth won't cooperate, and what you say doesn't sound like what's in your head. You're not bad at English. Your speaking reflex just isn't trained yet. That's why we use the shadowing method here at English Pro Space. Shadowing means you listen to me, you copy me immediately, you match my rhythm, stress, and intonation. No long explanations, no study and forget, just daily speaking practice until English starts to come out naturally. Before you worry about difficult grammar or fancy vocabulary, I want one thing from you. Give me 30 days. 30 short lessons about real life, your life. By the end, you'll speak more naturally and confidently without translating in your head. Day 3. Stop being afraid of phone calls. Be honest, when your phone rings in English, do you secretly hope it stops? When someone says, "Can you call and check for me?" do you suddenly become very busy? That ends today. Because in this lesson, you will learn 10 powerful phone call sentences, practice them with me using shadowing, use them in a real conversation, booking a dentist appointment, and finally, switch roles to build real fluency. Let's start with your 10 essential phone call sentences. I'll say each one, and you repeat out loud, just like shadowing. Hello, this is Emma speaking. How can I help you today? May I ask who's calling? One moment, please. Let me check. I'm sorry, could you repeat that? Could you speak a little slower, please? Let me write that down for you. Is there anything else I can help you with? Thank you so much for calling. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. These are polite, professional, and sound completely natural. This is real English, not textbook English. Part 2. Real conversation. Booking a dentist appointment. Good morning, Bright Dental Clinic. This is Emma speaking. How can I help you today?
Hello, I'd like to make a dental appointment, please. It's for a teeth cleaning.
Of course. May I ask who's calling?
This is Alex Chen.
Thank you, Alex. One moment, please. Let me check our schedule. We have Tuesday at 3 p.m. or Friday at 10 a.m. available.
Friday at 10 a.m. is perfect for me.
Excellent. Let me write that down for you. Friday, March 22nd at 10 a.m. for a cleaning. Can I get your phone number, please?
Sure. It's 555-198.
I'm sorry, could you repeat that? The line is a little unclear.
Of course. 555-198.
Got it. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you for calling. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. And that's it. You just completed a full natural English phone call. All 10 sentences appeared automatically and naturally. Part 3, your turn as the caller. Doctor appointment. Good morning, Downtown Medical Center. This is Emma speaking. How can I help you today? You answer out loud. Of course. May I ask who's calling? You say your name. One moment, please. Let me check Dr. Kim's schedule. What type of appointment do you need? You say something like a general checkup. Perfect. We have Monday at 2 p.m. or Wednesday at 11 a.m. Which works better for you? You choose a time. Excellent. Let me write that down for you. Is there anything else I can help you with? You answer yes or no. You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. You say, you too. Goodbye. You just made a full doctor's appointment, confidently and politely. Part 4. Switch roles. You're the receptionist and I'm the caller. Use as many of the 10 power sentences as you can. Hello, I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Kim, please. You respond as receptionist. This is Emma. I need a general checkup next week. You ask who's calling and offer times. Monday at 2 p.m. sounds great. You confirm the time and say, let me write that down for you. No, that's everything. Thank you so much. You close politely with, thank you for calling. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. See? You can now handle both sides of a phone call. That's how confidence is built, through real, active speaking. Part 5. Your practice missions. Mission 1. Drill the 10 sentences. Say all 10 sentences 5 times today, morning, noon, and night. Mission 2. Shadow the conversation. Replay the dentist call and shadow every line until it feels automatic. Mission 3. Two-way role play. Practice being both caller and receptionist, if it's better if you record yourself. Mission 4. Pronunciation focus. Be clear, not perfect. Focus on final sounds like check and help, numbers, and polite tone. Final motivation. You might still feel nervous when your phone rings in English. That's completely normal. But every time you repeat these phrases correctly, your brain is training, building fast, automatic connections. Do this every day for 30 days, and you'll no longer need to translate. The words will just flow. Your job, studies, travel, everything becomes easier when you can say confidently, hello, this is your name speaking. How can I help you today? If you're ready to commit, comment, Emma, I'm in for 30 days. If you're nervous but willing, write, I'm scared, but I'll try. I'll be here with you every day on English Pro Space, helping you build confidence one conversation at a time. See you tomorrow for day 5 of your English speaking transformation.